Creating a conscious life. Creating a conscious life means that you are each and every moment invested in your life. Every moment, whatever you are feeling is in the present and you are feeling it for the first time. I am here and just experience the stillness behind me and the abundance of nature around. I will show you how I created my life consciously and how I am enjoying it right now after years of consistently practicing the life of consciousness and creating my neural pathways, training my brain and nervous system to live the life of the integrated power that I am embodied now. So while I teach you, you enjoy the ambience around and keep integrating the powerful energies that I am showering on you at this moment. Just go into the state of nothingness. Erase all the objects from the nature that is constructed by human beings. Those tin shade structures, look at those tin shade structures and see what you feel in your body. And then look at the mountains filled with greenery and feel the difference you feel in your body. Next, look at these trees which have some seeds hanging and pay full attention to that. Don't withdraw your attention from anything. Whatever you are experiencing should be experienced in the present, in this moment with all your senses. Smell the fresh earthly smell coming from the earth before the rain. Smell it fully. Take it inside completely. Then listen to the sounds coming from the background, from the nature. These practices you will do when you are exposing yourself to the practices of consciousness in nature. So how to practice it? You have to be fully present with good sensate. This means your brain and nervous system should be in great condition to feel the earth below your feet. Look at those birds flying. Look at the butterflies and the open sky. Feel the openness. And when you engage your senses in the present, you will feel that life energy is infusing in you from the environment. Especially it has to be a good place with high concentration of negative ions. This place is in Pokhara, around the mountains, and since there is nothing around this region, I can sense energies going inside me, and these energies are filled with prana, filled with oxygen, and filled with negative ions of the highest quality. Especially when the wind blows, negative ions goes in your system, and with this experience, can you see that dog? When you are in nature, try to focus on distant objects. That dog is standing there like a wolf because it has got the access to nature, and that is why it has gone to its origin. So even the dog starts behaving like a wolf when it is in nature. But when the same dog is in the city with the people, he behaves differently. He behaves like a victim. Here he is behaving like a shepherd dog, and that is its origin. Similar is your case. You have originated from a ancient background of being nothing, and from there you have traveled the journey. But now, as you have forgotten from where you have come, you behave like a limited being. You are the most evolved human organism, but you have forgotten it. Your senses are of the highest quality. Only if you expose yourself to nature and become someone who is totally different quality, your evolution has stopped. Don't stop your evolution. Focus on what you can create every moment. Create life, create your life, the life that was given to you, and start living that. I am exposing you to where my attention is going. You can create your life with your attention. In the present moment, whenever you pay attention to something, that becomes your experience. And when that becomes your experience, then you feel life in this moment. If you are paying attention to this flower now, it has become your experience. And you cannot feel life anything in the past or future. You can feel life only in the present. This teaching I am creating for you because it is rare to learn conscious life and creating your life. Everything around is filled with unconsciousness, and that is why it is a difficult journey for you to do it alone. Only with the Guru, with the Master who has traveled the path, this is possible. This is possible for me because I have taken the continuous and consistent actions to transform my neural pathways. Your neural pathways are created from the environment you get exposed to after taking birth. As a child, you did not choose your parents. As a child, you did not choose your society. As a child, you did not choose earth. But you are dropped into an environment to breathe, where you have to keep adjusting with the environment continuously. And in today's world, only those will survive based on the law of evolution, survival of the fittest, and survival of the fittest in terms of consciousness. If your consciousness is of the highest quality, then you will survive. Otherwise, you cannot thrive in this world, because everything is so much illusional that it is easy for the brain, mind, and your personality to get swayed by it. You cannot feel life in its totality. I bring change to my students through my powers. What is my power? The power is of transformation. The power is I transform your unconsciousness into the consciousness of the highest order. And when I do that, I do it with my intention, attention, presence, awareness, and consciousness. Remember these 5 points. First point, if you want to change anything, you have to pay attention to it. And once you pay attention, the next step is be present with your attention, because where attention goes, energy flows and it grows. This teaching I am repeatedly giving you because it is not easy for you to learn this with your knowledge. You have to be present to your intention, then only you can bring change. The third stage is you have to be present to life. I am here at a restaurant where I have ordered consciously what I want to eat in this moment, not out of patterns, but out of choice. This means that you have a choice, and I'm teaching you from all dimensions how you choose every aspect of your life. And as I am making you feel, this space itself is available now to be experienced. So look where I am. Get exposed and expose yourself to different kind of ambience. so that your brain changes in the real time. You cannot do it by sitting at home in the same place. You have to choose your experience every moment so that the transformation happens in your brain, in your neural pathway through real physical activities. And that is the beauty of my teachings. I take my students to such places so that the real change happens. So, whatever teaching I am giving you is with a purpose. It is not for entertainment, it is for learning, imbibing, and practicing. Only the PhD holders who are aware of their life can take the actions to live their life in consciousness. So, practice consciousness while I start eating my food, and have a great time ahead. Thank you and bye-bye.